Hello? Hello? Now, did you hear that? All I said was hello. Did you hear those extra voices? That's EVP. Hello? 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 Sorry, I plugged it into audio out. Make sure you plug it into the correct thing. Audio in. Hello? Now, did you hear that? All I said was hello. Did you hear those extra voices? That's EVP. It into the correct thing. Audio in. Hello? Make sure you plug it in. Hello? Hello? Sorry, I plugged it into audio out. Make sure you plug it into the correct thing. Audio in. Hello? Now, did you hear that? All I said was hello. Did you hear those extra voices? That's EVP.
Yes, I got you.
Make sure you plug it into the correct thing. Audio in. Hello? Ah, fuck. What do we do? Can you come over here and talk to me for a second, please? Come over here for a second, please. Right over. Come here, Francie. Come here. What are we doing? Stop that! Make contact. One of us should actually try to speak to him. Right. Okay, alright. What you're looking at here, it's the EVP voice device. Now, it comes with a, there's a magnet on the back here, as you can see. It comes with a magnet, like in this spot, which once you remove is hard to stay in this spot. But that's how it comes. You have to pry it out the first time. You pry it out. And it comes with a hook, logo, microphone and the project case. Project case may not look like this. Ghost voices really loud from the below 20 hertz to the normal hearing level. It comes with some of my devices come with audio in and audio out. So you can plug it into an external speaker of any of your choice, the Altec speaker, any speaker you want. You can talk to the dead. Now I've demonstrated on the video with the guts opened up. This is what it'll look like. What you're looking at here is the Paranormal Busters EVP voice device. That's how it comes inside a package. It's the front. And this is the back. Now when you get it, you have my permission to do videos on it. Any type of videos you want. Hello. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? What is your name? Who are you? Anybody want to talk? Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now that's live EVP. Now, the magnet on the back is to open the gate, the recording gate, the communication gate, basically a walkie-talkie with the dead. You put it over the microphone and you rub it. Then it'll give you about 1 to 10, 20 seconds of open gate. You just do this. Touch it with your finger. Like that. Any way you want. It's like a fidget device. You fidget over here. It'll open up the communication and the ghost will, or entity, maybe devil, demon, angel, ghost, whatever wants to talk, will talk through it. You hear ghosts live. Alright, so there's a fidget here. Fidget with the magnet on top of the microphone. Don't push. Don't push that in. Don't pry that in. The battery pack is on the back. Just three batteries. Any of your choice. Make sure the batteries are always the same. Now you heard some entity talk there. So let's try this. Hello, are you here? Now, make sure you have fresh batteries. Mine are dying out here. Make sure you use fresh batteries. Talk device. And when you're done, you can put your magnet back. Now, after you remove it the first time, it won't stay in the same place. But it'll first come just like that. You have to pry it out. This is the gate. The magnet opens up the audio recording gate, so you get live communication. Or you could just rub it like this, which keeps the gate audio live. Keeps the live audio gate open. You can also rub your surroundings to keep the gate open, or the plastic. Hello? Hello, is anyone there? And sometimes you'll get ghosts, sometimes you'll get nothing. It's a 50-50. But let's be quiet and let's try it.
Let's be quiet and let's try it.
You hear that? It said sometimes.
Yeah, it said sometimes.
Does anybody want to talk?
Anybody want to talk?
Now with the magnet.
Now with the magnet.
You hear that? Hello? Did you hear that? Hello?
Hello?
You see that? That's a ghost.
What comes through?
You hear it live.
We hear it live.
What did you say? Now if you could... Like I said, nothing's aesthetically perfect, but it works. And you click it on. It's kind of hard to reach. Hello. How you doing? Can you hear me? Alright, so as you can see, it's working as... So let's plug it into an outsource so you can hear it. So let's plug it into a speaker so you can hear it better. Alright, give me a second. Now this device is EVP voice. Don't worry, yours will come perfectly. Mine cracked because it has so much electronics in it. But yours will come perfectly. Do you hear those extra voices? That's EVP, electronic voice phenomena. Now there's another version of this. It's experimental. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So buy at your own risk. It all depends on the entities that are speaking. And their distances. If they're too far away, you'll hardly pick it up. But when's the last time you heard an EVP device that lets you hear ghosts live? Alright, so there's a fidget here. Fidget with the magnet on top of the microphone. Don't push. Don't push that in. How you doing? Anyway, this is the EVP talk device. And when you're done, you can put your magnet back. Now, after you remove it the first time, it won't stay in the same place. But it'll first come just like that. You have to pry it out. This is the gate. The magnet opens up the audio recording gate, so you get live communication. Ghosts live, not digital. Now, if you add this to an audio recorder, like the DR.
Hello, I'm Peter. Where are you from? Originally. Okay. The usual stuff isn't working. Okay. I have a plan. I know exactly. Stay close. Stay close. Exactly as I say. Ready? Ready? Get him!